me saying that you've been working for them for quite a while now. You've been quite a long time now. Yeah, I think 26, 27.
Sausage!
Well, here's to the next 26 to 27. Thanks very much, Steve, for coming in this evening as well. We always appreciate you giving up your time to chat.
Oh wait man, you sausage, wait until your green man's on. Bloody hell!
Oh man, it's been unbelievable this year, the amount of fucking rain we've had, like, isn't it?
Well, I'm not fucking looking, am I, you sausage? Jesus, bloody hell! It's alright, that's another one for me. Naughty, sausage. Bloody hell. Why do they risk running the red light? Like, it's not worth it, is it?
No, it's not.
Naughty, sausage. Bloody hell. Why do they risk running the red light? Like, it's not worth it, is it?
No, it's not.
Can't park in the zigzags. You silly sausage. A bloody hell. Halloween lights they are. You're in the wrong lane, you sausage. The year goes that quick though, doesn't it?
Dropping onto his chest, and then they're playing in your final third, so that'll be important. Luke's got to go on.
Danny, would you play Brown tomorrow?
You can't pull in on a zigzag bit on the pedestrian crossing.
Really. Who would you take out for him?
Bloody hells bells.
Reason being,
I think you get smashed up for third tomorrow.
Another sausage.
Definitely. I mean, I know I like to get stuck in.
yeah.
But I've just seen it.